Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. Great to be with you.
If you're new here, breathe. We learn English with simple, real conversations.
Please subscribe and tap like so you never miss a lesson. It really supports our learner community. Thank you.
Alex, you look happy today. How are you feeling?
I feel great. Long walk this morning and a big glass of water.
Nice. I slept well, so I feel fresh.
Perfect. Today's topic is health and healthy habits. Doctor visits, exercise, food, sleep, and stress.
Let's start with the doctor. When you feel sick, the doctor asks, "How do you feel?"
You can say, I feel sick. I feel tired. I have a cold.
Or use body words. My head hurts, my stomach hurts.
Vocabulary: a headache, pain in head, a sore throat, a fever, a high temperature.
Mini role play clinic.
Hello, doctor. I feel very tired and I have a sore throat.
Okay, please sit down. Do you have a fever?
Maybe a little.
Drink water, rest, and take this medicine. You'll feel better soon.
Sometimes we go to the pharmacy.
Ask, do you have something for a cough? Or is this safe?
Always follow the instructions on the label. Very important.
The dentist, doctor for our teeth.
I go once a year for a checkup and cleaning.
Same. And the classic line is, open your mouth.
Brush morning and night. Floss if you can. Simple and powerful.
Now, healthy habits. First, exercise.
Exercise can be simple. Walk, stretch, dance, ride a bike, play a sport.
I walk fast on a treadmill. It gives me energy.
I run in the park. After I run, I feel tired, but a good tired.
Tip, start small. 10 to 15 minutes is okay. Tomorrow, a little more.
And always drink water before and after exercise.
Next habit, food. Healthy food can be delicious.
I love fruit. Bananas, apples, berries.
I love vegetables. Broccoli, little green trees, carrots, tomatoes.
Breakfast ideas. Yogurt with fruit or eggs and toast.
Lunch, a big salad or soup with bread.
Dinner, chicken or fish with vegetables, easy and colorful.
And sweets, cake, ice cream?
Sometimes is okay, just a small treat.
Exactly. Most days healthy, some days a little treat. That's balance.
Another habit, sleep. Sleep is medicine.
Try 7 to 8 hours if you can. Helpful lines are, I go to bed at 10:30, I wake up at 6:30.
Turn off screens earlier, breathe slowly, drink water.
Don't forget mental health, our feelings.
If you feel stressed, try slow breathing. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3.
Or take a short walk, listen to music, call a friend, or write 3 good things about your day.
Let's plan a healthy day.
Morning, a glass of water, light stretching, breakfast.
Daytime, move your body, eat fruit or nuts, smile at someone.
Evening, short walk, light dinner, quiet hour before sleep.
Quick pronunciation, stomach to stomach,
Medicine to med-i-sin.
vegetable to vegetable.
Exercise to exercise.
Longer scene, gym and park. Mia, do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week. I walk fast and lift small weights. What about you?
I run in the park on weekends. I take water and good shoes.
After exercise?
I stretch, shower, and eat a banana. Energy.
I drink water and make a small smoothie. Delicious.
Listeners, repeat. I exercise 3 times a week.
I drink water every day.
I eat fruit and vegetables.
I sleep 7 hours.
Safety words for emergencies. I need help. Call an ambulance. Where is the hospital?
We hope you never need them, but it's good to know.
Quick review: doctor words, pharmacy, dentist, exercise, food, sleep, and stress.
Great. So, Alex, how often do you exercise during busy work weeks?
During busy weeks, I do short sessions, 15 minutes of walking after lunch.
Smart. Little steps still help your heart and your mood.
At work or school, stand and stretch every 30 to 60 minutes.
Drink water, not only coffee. Maybe set a small timer.
Lunch ideas for workdays: a sandwich with vegetables or rice and beans with salad.
And try a 5-minute walk outside. Sunlight helps.
Useful phrases at work:
I need a short break.
I'm going to get some water.
Is there a pharmacy near here?
Prevention: stop small problems early.
Wash your hands. Carry tissues.
Wear comfortable shoes for walking.
Check expiration dates on food and medicine.
Vocabulary mini box.
Allergy. Your body reacts to something.
Injury: a hurt part, like a sprained ankle.
Appointment. A time with the doctor.
Prescription: medicine the doctor writes for you.
Booking a visit. Clinic desk.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please.
Sure. What is your name?
Alex Lee.
What day is good for you?
Thursday morning, if possible.
Okay. 10 a.m. See you then.
Time words help doctors. Since yesterday, for 2 days, all week.
Example. I've had a cough for 3 days.
Describing pain:
Sharp, quick and strong, dull, soft, constant, all the time, on and off, sometimes.
sentence. I have a sharp pain in my back when I bend.
Or the pain is on and off.
Healthy mind, healthy life.
Try a gratitude list. 3 good things from today.
Move for your mood. Even a 5-minute dance counts.
Limit late night scrolling. Read 1 page of a book instead.
2 quick real-life dialogues. Supermarket.
Hi, do you know where the fresh fruit is?
Aisle 4 on the left. I like the apples there.
Thanks. What's your favorite healthy snack?
Yogurt with honey. Simple and good. Evening walk.
Hey, Alex. Wanna walk after dinner?
Sure. A slow walk helps my sleep.
Let's go for 20 minutes.
Perfect. I'll bring water. Listener practice. Repeat. I'd like to make an appointment.
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I walk for 20 minutes every day.
I eat fruit and vegetables with every meal.
Common mistakes.
Skipping breakfast every day. Try a small one.
Drinking only sugary drinks. Choose water most of the time.
No movement for long hours. Stand, stretch, or walk a little.
Going to bed very late. Make a calm routine.
Quick review game. Finish the line.
When I feel stressed, I...
Breathe slowly or take a short walk.
For a cold, the doctor said...
Drink water and rest.
For strong teeth, we...
Brush morning and night.
For better sleep, I...
Turn off screens early.
Friendly check-in.
How are you feeling this week?
Better. I'm walking more and eating more fruit.
Any goals for next week?
Sleep before 11 p.m. and drink more water.
Great plan. I'll try the same.
Dear listeners, thank you for learning with us on English Channel.
If this episode helped, please subscribe and like. It keeps our learner community strong and lets us bring you more free lessons.
Homework. In the comments, write one healthy habit you already do and one new habit you will try this week.
We read and reply. Your practice matters.
May your body be strong and your mind calm.
May your English grow clearer day by day. No stress, only progress.
Take care, stay healthy, and keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye for now.